Hello guys, my name is Shani SK, SAP FICO and S4 HANA Finance Trainer. Today I would like to share you basic accounting class 1, and we are launching accounting course here today, and also we will launch very important areas like financial management, taxation and costing related aspects. So these are all completely for non accounting students who wants to switch into SAP. So these basic videos are very helpful to you to learn SAP FICO course. Okay, let's understand what is this concept. And if you are completely new to this channel or watching my videos, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon, and soon you will be notified with many of my videos. Okay, let's move to the topic. So this is the topic about difference between accounting and accountancy. So basic accounting for non-accounting background students to learn SAP course. So what is meant by accounting? See, accounting is known as the language of business. Okay, so it's a business. Okay, it's a business language. Accounting is also called as business language or language of business. So American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, AICPA, defines accounting. What is meant by accounting? So accounting means, so it's art of recording, classifying, summarizing. Okay, so what we need to record and what we need to classify and summarize. So we need to record the transactions and events which happened in the business. So in day to day there are different transactions will be happen, and there are different events will be happen. So what we need to record and what we need to classify. So how we can summarize, that is called as accounting. Okay, so accounting is just like a recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner in terms of money. Okay, so only money related transactions and events we need to record in our books. So and finally, so we need to prepare the financial statements. So what is financial statements? Financial statement is nothing but profit and loss account, balance sheet and cash flow statements according to the India. So here I told you, so accounting is a language of business. Okay, so we need to record all the business transactions and events. So it is a body of, it's a science. See, it's a science because it's a body of knowledge. So accounting is also called as a science. So because it's a body of knowledge. Here accounting is not exact science. However, accounting is not exact science since the rules and principles are constantly changing. Okay. So because of some improvement, so all accounting principles, rules, regulations, whatever we call, the same will be changed. So that is the reason. So sometimes it is not exact science. Okay. So this is the basic information about accounting, and what is transaction and what is events. So transaction means in day to day there are different transactions will be happen, sales related, purchase related, and some transactions relating to assets, some transactions relating to ledgers, some transactions relating to vendors, customers. Okay, so many transactions will happen and many events will happen. So whatever the transactions and events which terms of money, so only money related transactions that we need to record in our books. Okay, so event treated as a transaction or recorded in the books of accounting. So transactions are very important elements in accounting. Okay, so event should be treated as transaction, then we need to record on our books. Events other than transactions not recorded in the books. Okay, so events should be transaction, that transactions only we can record in our books. So what is accounting process? So accounting cycle is the first one is journalizing. So what is journal, what is ledger, and what is financial statement, I will take separate session. Okay, just understand the process. So accounting process start from first phase is journalizing. So journalizing means all the transactions. So all the transactions are happen. That transaction need to be make in one book, that is called as a journal. So if you are making the entry on that part, so it is called as a journalizing. So I will explain separately what is journalizing and ledgers. After that, once journalizing is happened, we need to segregate which kind of accounts, which kind of transaction is. Either it is relating to sales, or either relating to customers, or it relating to purchase. So any kind of transactions need to be segregated, that is called as a ledger. In journal, all the entries will be there, whether it is relating to sales, purchase, there is no segregation at all. But in case of ledger, all the transactions are segregated. Okay, segregated. So that is called ledger. Ledger is a Bible. It contains all the entries. So it's a segregated, okay. So and after that, final output is financial statement. So financial statement is nothing but profit and loss account and balance sheet. All events are not transactions, okay. Only events which are transactions that we can record in your books, okay. And one example, see, death of the skilled employee may bring heavy loss in the business, but this this loss is not measurable in terms of money. See, so one skilled employee was dead, because of that company has suffered losses, okay. That losses we should not record in books, because it's not in terms of money, okay. So those things expressed in terms of money, that things only we can written in our books. Now you can understand, right, what is transaction and events. So transactions, sales related, purchase related, asset related, vendor related, customer related, or anything. So which expressed in terms of money, that only we can record. So events which are considered to be transactions, then only we can record books. So accounting can be divided into several fields. These are all subfields of accounting. Okay, one is financial accounting, management accounting, external auditing, tax accounting, cost accounting. So these are all comes under the accounting. So practitioners of accounting are known as accountants. So in company there are many kind of accountants will be there. So there should be from financial accounting or management accounting, external auditing and tax accounting and cost accounting. So practitioners means those are working in company. Those are all called as a practitioners. So this is about accounting. Now let's move to the topic accountancy. So what is accountancy? So accounting is just like application of accounting. So accounting, journalizing, okay, segregation is called ledger and preparation. So here accountancy is advanced, okay. So this is not a process, it's a application, okay. It's a application. So it's a practice. So it's a practice. So it's a practice of recording, it's a practice of classifying, it is practice of reporting of business transactions. So what is business transactions? Just now explained, right? So it is just like the key accountancy tasks are noted below: recording, classifying, reporting. Okay. So not summarizing, it's a reporting. So reporting means advanced. So what we need to report? Balance sheet we need to report. Income statement we need to report. Profit and loss account we need to report. So cash flow statements we need to report. How much cash inflows and how much cash outflows. That is called as a statement of cash flow statement. Okay. So these are all information. So we need to find in accountancy. It's a reporting activity. It's a advanced. Okay. And the creation of these reports typically occurs monthly. So preparation of balance sheet, income statement and cash flow statement, these things will be done in month ending. Okay. So it is completely for the internal reporting point of internal planning. So based on this, the management will take decisions. That is called as a management accounting. Okay. So this is all decision activities. The decision activities will be taken by only management. That accounting is called as a management accounting. Okay. So the aim is to provide managers with reliable information, record the cost of operations. So these are all information. Okay, I need to provide manager how much cost incurred. So how much income that we got. So for that we need to prepare a financial statement like income statement and expenditure statement. Then what is the company liabilities and what are the debts? Liabilities got is the debts. What are the assets of the company? What is the financial statement of the company? So this is called as a balance sheet. So these are all information comes under the accountancy. It's advanced. So in accounting we need to record, classify and summarize. But in accountancy, so it is advanced. It's a practice of recording, practice of classifying, practice of reporting. So this is called as a accountancy. So if you are watching my video first time, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon, and so that you will be notified with many of my videos. And very soon we are uploading all videos relating to accounting, finance and taxation and financial management and also SAP related videos. So please subscribe to get notified. Thank you very much for your support. This is Shani SK signing off.